Sean Lyles with CGNet, and today I'll be doing a demo on Microsoft Teams and working with files. Enjoy!
When working in a team, it's imperative that everyone has equal access to the files they need to expedite their teamwork and stay on task. The beauty of Teams is you always have access to all the associated files for your team right inside Teams. So when you're communicating on a project, in a meeting, or working on some other task, you can always access the files you need without leaving Teams and searching through emails, cloud drives, hard drives, etc. Let's take a look at this now. So when you're in your team under the Files tab, you'll see all of your team's relevant files filtered by most recently modified. You can change the filtering type by any one of these headers. You can add a new folder or document type. You can upload documents. You can get a link of this file folder, which is actually a SharePoint Online site that was made and created with your new team. You can open in SharePoint Online, or you can add additional cloud storage. That way, if you have files on other cloud storage accounts, you can easily associate them with and add them to your team. And on an individual file basis, you have the options of opening them online or in SharePoint, deleting, renaming, or getting a link for each of the files in your team's file tab. You can also expand the Files tab to work with it in a bigger window if you prefer, like this. Now I want to show you how I edit a document and show you the process of how I work within Teams. Let's create a new Word document. Creating a sample post here. Alright, and you notice it opened in Word Online, but we are still right within Teams. Okay, I've posted my content as a sample here. Alright, now I want somebody to collaborate on this document with me. Click Start Conversation. And I can have someone collaborate in real time with me. Okay, Tim, please. Tim, please look at this new doc, and I can send it, but I'm going to delete this. This was just a sample and show you how we can collaborate in real time right within Teams. All right, we're going to close this. So I just wanted to personally show you how Teams impacts my workflow and focus. An example of that is what I've demonstrated today. The ability to have all of your related Teams files in one place, easily accessed, edited, and shared. Next week, I'll be going over working with tabs in Microsoft Teams. Thank you.